Alright, here's an update to the John Deere D. Radiator is off, gas tank is out. It's just going back together. I had to take the head off and have a valve replaced, and had to clean out the cylinders. So it's got starter hooked up. It's got a long ways to go though. What's currently stopping progress is the Radiator Overflow. Okay, here is what John Deere calls a connector. And this goes up through here. And then a pipe goes up through it. And it screws into this hole right here. Right, so as you can see, it's broke off. And the remaining part is in there. So that's got to come out. And you can see by the diagram how all that works. Here's the overflow. It's broken. Another part of the overflow tube is broken. And that came off of here, I believe. And that's what's holding up progress. As soon as that part is replaced, then we can get back to reassembling it. Now those threads are good. But like I say, there's not enough threads there. So I'm going to have this part remade. And I may have 5 of them made, so they'll be available on eBay. There's some other parts to the D. There's a grill. Believe it or not, those sell for like $750 on eBay. Look on eBay right now, you see one for $750. A lot better condition than this. Here's the hood. It's in pretty good shape, but it's got a few pinholes. A little bit of pinholes down there, rotted out. A little bit there. But for the most part, it's there. Carburetor. I've done a little work to it. And here's the gas tank. I really like this 2-tank deal where you start it on the gas and you run it on the kerosene or distillate or whatever you want to call it. Of course, it's busted. It's been patched up here. The 3-way valve is stuck. That's stuck. So that's going to need some work. I'll show you the rest of the tractor. It's got the Edison split dwarf magneto. It's hot, it's getting spark, so it works. Got one light hooked up. Original light, pretty good. Got the starter in there. It cranks over pretty good. Got 2 6-volt batteries. And they crank it over. I won't be cranking it around this time though. You look at the serial number on this thing. I don't know if you can see that. 183954, I believe. But it's not too bad. So the next step is to get the radiator overflow tube fixed so we can mount that back on the tractor.